What is up, everybody? My name is Ubaid. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So first things first, I am here to teach you about how to earn money in crypto for free. You heard that right? For free, you don't actually have to do anything, and I'm going to show you how. So this is what we're going to do. We first have to delve into what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a store of value. As we can see here, much like gold or silver, it is the first cryptocurrency that was made, digital currency. It is currently valued at $38,454. The price just keeps going up and up, or down and then up again and down and up. You get the point. So at the moment, that's sitting just shy of, I think, $600,000 rands. Sorry. And then we have other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. Other cryptocurrencies, unlike Bitcoin, has a purpose behind it. So it's a form of technology. Ethereum is one you can look at in the same way you view Microsoft or Android. So it's an operating system or software that is then used to build other cryptocurrencies. So people use Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain or network or ecosystem, as people like to call it, and that is then used to build other cryptocurrencies. Apart from that, we also get stable coins, as you'll see here. Tether, you'll see it says $1 USDT. And then we have another one, Binance USD, $1. These are called stable coins, and they are pegged to the value of the US dollar, meaning they are the same as the US dollar. They do not fluctuate up, they do not fluctuate down, perhaps by a percent or a cent for that matter. But other than that, it does not move, and it's a very stable place to keep your money before you purchase or when you take a profit. So, Bitcoin, where do we get started? So what you want to do is you want to purchase Bitcoin. And I know a lot of people have the fear when they look at Bitcoin and they say, oh my God, the price is $38,000. I can't purchase one. It's too much money. Well, you do not have to purchase one. That is the beautiful thing about cryptocurrency. You can purchase as little as you like, as little as an exchange would allow you to purchase. So that can be 100 Rand, 500 Rand, 10 Rand in some instances. I know it sounds crazy, but you can do exactly that. So if you want to accumulate Bitcoin over time, let's say you want to buy 10 Rand once a week, you can do that 10 Rand once a week. What I would suggest doing, and I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, this is just my journey, and I'm taking you along. If you'd like to join me, let's do that. So what I did was I looked at it and I said, I'm wasting money on food. I'm going to take my McDonald's money, my KFC money, and all the other cash that I'm just flushing down the toilet, and I'm going to invest that into Bitcoin, because that's how little it takes to get started. I know a lot of people aren't comfortable with it in the beginning. So you can also that's also another reason to start with as little money as possible. So the minimum amount that you would like to use, we can get started on that. That is the first thing we get to do, okay? So how do you make a profit? Before we get into how to purchase, how do we make a profit with cryptocurrency? Well, that is very, very, very simple. If we look here and we'll go down onto, let's see, Bitcoin, and we're going to go down and check the timeline from when Bitcoin was purchased. We're going to go max 1 year. Let's look at Bitcoin a year ago. Okay, and if we go down here, we're going to look at the price in 2020. The price was $11,000. All right, so if people had purchased their Bitcoin on August 6th, 2020, and then held, which is the most important and vital aspect of cryptocurrencies, is being able to hold and not sell when the price drops, and hold until the price goes up. That's when you're going to make a profit. So keep that in mind. You want to hold your money. You need the mental fortitude to take you through these parabolic cycles, when it goes up and then when it goes down and then it goes up again. So understand that you need to have mental toughness to do this. This is why I say only take money that you can afford to lose, or money that you would either have wasted, because you will lose it in the short term. But long term, we're talking big gains that you would not get anywhere else. So If you had purchased it on the 20th of August and held it all the way up, I mean, look at this. It went from 11,000 to 37,000. And imagine you held even further and went to 59,000, and you held again and went to 63,000. You get what I'm saying. So what we're going to try and do is find coins like Bitcoin. Of course, you can buy Bitcoin, but I'm going to introduce you to coins that you can purchase that have a great upside, that are much, much cheaper. Okay, so something like Cardano is a brilliant investment, something like XRP. I will be doing videos on those exclusively, telling you about how and why I'm invested in those coins and why you should look into doing it yourself. Because it's definitely some coins that I believe in, and I'll be sharing that with you and detailing, and we can get to discuss and all those things, and you can ask questions. So, perfect. Now, how do I buy cryptocurrencies? Well, the simplest way that I've found with regards to exchanges is Luno. Luno is a South African regulated exchange, which I feel is the easiest to use. It's the easiest to navigate, the easiest to purchase, because if you go into the minimum purchase, we can see here we're looking at 2 Rand. Between 2 and 10 Rand is the minimum amount. So you cannot watch this video and say, oh, I don't have money for cryptocurrency. You do. You've spent money on something unnecessary that you didn't need, that you thought you wanted, and then you regretted purchasing. Next time, don't make that mistake. Buy some crypto instead. Invest in yourself. It's worth it. Trust me. So, 10 Rand is the minimum purchase we can make. And if we go into Luno, Luno is very, very easy to sign up to. You simply download the app, or you click on the website and you do it through your desktop. All they will ask you for is a cell phone number, email address, and then your ID number, which do not have any fear about that. It's just to link it to your SARS account so that they can track whether when you do become a millionaire, they will be able to track, and you'll have to pay taxes as per usual. So don't worry about that. That is perfectly normal. You do not have to fear. Also, another thing with Luno that I really, really, really liked was when you do make a deposit into Luno, they do bank with Standard Bank themselves. So you don't have to worry about it being a foreign account, a foreign exchange, all these problems that you can have. So they do bank with Standard Bank. So if that gives you some sort of calmness or adds, some sort of security to you mentally, you feel more stable with going into cryptocurrencies, then that is definitely a positive for me. I had an issue with that going into Binance and Coinbase, and you had a lot of issues with banks as well stopping you from making purchases because they didn't like Binance and they didn't like Coinbase to begin with. So I had problems with a few of the banks. Luno, you will not have that problem with because they do bank with a South African bank, so you are A4 away. So, perfect. How do you buy cryptocurrencies? So you are going to make a Luno account, you're going to deposit money into it, and then you are going to purchase it. It's as simple as that. You will use your banking app, and if and when you do use your banking app, you will see that Luno is already listed in your public beneficiaries, meaning they are already regulated and listed on the app. So you don't really don't have to do anything. Really, it's that simple. So if you want to deposit 10 Rand, 30 Rand, 50 Rand, 100 Rand, or if you're already rich, you can do 100,000 Rand. Do that. That would 100% work. So you then send the money into your wallet, as you can see here. You send the money into the wallet, and then you use that money to purchase. It is that simple. So once you purchase Bitcoin or XRP, it will then reflect over here, and you can then also wait until you make a profit and then sell it. So that's how you get your money back. Please understand that when you do purchase any form of cryptocurrency, you can then sell it immediately. If you're like, as soon as it reflects, you can sell it, make your money back, and deposit it back into your bank account. Your money is not gone. So do not think that once you've purchased something that you cannot get your money back. It's just gone into the interweb. It's not. It's still here. You can get your stuff back. You do not have to fear. That's what I like about it. And a lot of people have a misconception that your money is just gone into thin air. It's not. So next, I'm going to be doing videos on coins such as XRP, something I'm heavily invested into. I've also got some Cardano and then some NFT projects as well. So if you'd like to know more about that, smash that subscribe button. Get into the comment section. Let me know where you are in your crypto journey, what you'd like to see. I am definitely going to upload every week, multiple times a week. So subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. There is a link down in the description that you can use. You will get 25 Rand free Bitcoin. I will receive 25 Rand free Bitcoin when you make a purchase of $100 or more on Luno. Let's get started. Let's get into this crypto journey, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.